Good day everyone. Today I'm going to be giving you another tutorial which is titled how to construct a fence. Many people might laugh to this, but I want to tell you there are many ways to construct a fence that will stand the test of time. Bearing in mind the high cost of building materials today, I want to show you the kind of fence that you should not do and the recommended one. Follow me, I'll show you. Here is the number one kind of fence you should never do. The one that has only block pillar spaced at a certain distance. This kind of fence will crack one day. Look at this fence. It's already cracking. It's already cracking. Within a short time, it may fall on the owner if care is not taken. So please don't do this. Do not do this kind of fence that has only pillar at a certain distance on the fence. See, it's already cracking and they have started patching it. They will still patch again. Don't do this kind of fence. Don't do this one with double block pillar. It doesn't stand the test of time. Here is a recommended kind of fence that you should do that has pillars spaced at 3.5 meter interval and a beam running at the center of it from the beginning to the end of it. That is the kind of fence you should do, and it always stands the test of time and stay for many years. Thank you.